Hi everyone, my name is Mike. This is a plant that I always introduce in my courses for no particularly good reason. At this moment, many countries around the world are experiencing a pandemic of COVID-19, which is also called the coronavirus. The coronavirus is causing serious health problems for some people in certain groups, for example, older people or people who have other medical conditions. The coronavirus infection is not necessarily very dangerous for a lot of other groups of people. However, because it is very infectious, it's very easy to pass the virus from person to person, many governments around the world are encouraging or enforcing something called social distancing. This means that people without vital jobs or crucial jobs are asked to stay at home and work from home and also study from home. Now, some people are a bit introverted and they might actually find this to be a very easy constraint, and they might be very comfortable adapting to this lifestyle, which hopefully won't last more than a few months. But other people are finding it more difficult to be cut off from their normal life and to be cut off from their social life and maybe their family as well. This can be particularly challenging for people who are studying, who find it difficult to keep up a good practice of studying at home, having good discipline to study at home. Now, I know it can be very difficult to work from home or to study from home because you're so used to all of your nice, comfortable distractions in your house, and you're used to working from outside your house. At home, you have your TV, your pets, your internet, your phone, and so on. So anyway, what I want to do here is create a short course that has a bunch of tips for how to maintain good study habits and work habits at home when you can't go out to the library or to a cafe to study there. So I made this course to be short and to the point so you don't get bogged down in all sorts of blah, 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 talking. So let's begin.